Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Ryan Hafey from CheapChucky.com, and today I just wanted to do a quick video review of an app from the App Store, which is on the iPod Touch or the iPhone that I've grown very fond of. The app is simply called Accounts, and the best way to describe it is it's a mobile checkbook register, an electronic checkbook register, as opposed to the manual one you might bring along with you where you write down the numbers manually. I know that that can be a pain, and this simplifies that, and it also gives you a lot of added features, which I'll go into. But let's go ahead and get right into it. So, let this get into focus here. The icon for the app is going to be this one right here. Kind of looks like a little bank or something like that. So you would click on this icon, and what this is going to do is open up to the home screen, which is going to show a list of your various accounts. Don't want to disclose too much information about what's in these accounts, but you kind of get the idea. You can put your credit cards, checking accounts, saving accounts, all that kind of stuff in there. You can add as many accounts as you like, and doing so is very simple. You just click on the plus button up in the top corner. You can type a name for the account, even give it its own icon if you like. Let's go into one of the accounts and kind of show you what that looks like here. So inside, this is a checking account. This is just basically a list of all my previous transactions, and it gives you the totals. Down at the bottom here, it'll give you the current balance of the account. Adding new transactions is very simple as well. Just like adding an account, you click the plus button up at the top there. You would type in the name, you would type in the amount of the transaction, whether it was a debit or a credit. You can specify the date. Also, something pretty cool you can do is you can give it a category. So if you click categories here, and you could add new categories, but basically you can specify what kind of transaction this was. Was it a medically, a medical transaction? Was it groceries, gas, entertainment, etc., etc.? And this comes in real handy, and I'll show you why that is so later on. Another cool thing about using this particular application is that it remembers your previous transactions. So let's say you went to McDonald's before, and then you went there again. As you start typing in McDonald's, there it is. It pops up right there, and it also is going to match up the category that you used for it from before, so you don't have to type in a whole bunch of stuff each time. So pretty cool app. Now, and the reason I said that the category feature was very important is because you can actually use this application to run reports of your spending. So if you go back to the home screen and you go down to the bottom here where it says reports, click on that. It gives you three different types of reports you can run. You can run expense versus income reports, which is basically just a pie chart showing you, how much income you're generating versus how many expenses, how much money is going out. Spending by category is actually my favorite. This will actually break it down by month. You can go back for previous months, but this will show you how much you're actually spending per each category that you specify. So just kind of give you an example. For the month of May, that just shows you, okay, this is how much I spent on miscellaneous things, monthlies, groceries, utilities, eating out, all that kind of good stuff. So very cool and very good if you're looking to do some budgeting. If you're looking to cut back a little bit, you can kind of take a look at this and say, all right, we're spending a heck of a whole lot of money on this particular area. We need to cut back on that a little bit, and that will give you a little bit more of a visual representation of where all that money is going. A couple other things to make note of. You can set up recurring transactions with this particular app. You can do reconcile mode, which is basically setting up a way to compare your transactions that you log in the Accounts app with what's on your bank statement, make sure that everything is adding up properly. You can password protect the app so that no one else can get in and see your data. And one of the most important things, I think, is you can export the data from the app all to your email address. So you can back it up basically. Maybe once a week, just send yourself an email of all your different reports. That way you have it as a backup just in case maybe something happens to your iPhone or iPod Touch or something like that. But that's basically it. And this app is available in the App Store for $1.99. There is a free version of this app, however you can only log 15 transactions, which is not going to be very helpful if you're looking to use it for a longer period of time like I am. So I would fork up the $2. I believe that in the long run, the money it's going to save you is going to greatly outweigh the $2 you're going to pay for it. And they update it all the time. It's a really great app. So check it out, get it, use it, and it's definitely going to come in handy someday. So once again, I'm Ryan Hafey from CheapChucky.com. Head on over and read the blog, subscribe to this video and to the blog, and leave any comments if you have any. My email address is ryan.hafey@cheapchucky.com. And until next time, keep it cheap.